Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to easily connect your Android phone to your Windows PC. Once you have connected, you will be able to receive notification, access photos, send and receive messages, and even make phone calls directly from your PC. And it's like having your phone right inside your PC. So let's dive in and set it up. First, let's make sure you have the Phone Link app installed on your Windows PC. You can find it right from the start menu. It looks like this on the screen. Or you can simply type Phone Link in the Windows search bar and you should see the app appear in the search result. Just click to open it. But if you don't see the app, don't worry, you can easily install it from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Make sure you use the same Microsoft account that you will use later on your Android phone. This is very important for linking both devices successfully. Okay. Now in the Phone Link app, choose your device, Android or iPhone. A QR code will now appear on your PC screen. Before you proceed, make sure both your phones and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and also Bluetooth is turned on both the devices. Okay. These are essential for the setup process. Now let's move to your Android phone. Here you need to open the QR scanner and scan the QR code display on your PC screen. Once you scan the code, it will automatically redirect you to the Google Play Store, where you will see the link to Windows app. Just tap on to install and wait for the installation to complete. After it's installed, open the app and you will now need to sign in with the same Microsoft account that you used on your PC. If you prefer, you can also tap on sign in using the QR code on your PC. Then tap on continue to start linking your mobile device to your Microsoft account. Next, your PC screen will show a pairing code. So you need to enter this code on your mobile devices when prompted. Once you enter the code, your phone and PC will start connecting automatically. Now here you will need to verify your Microsoft account. So just click on send code and Microsoft will send a verification code to the same email account you used in sign in. So go ahead and check your email and copy that code and paste it here to complete the sign in process. Once that's done, your device will continue pairing. Now on your phone you will see a few permission requests pop up. Make sure to allow all of them because these permissions are enable all the main features of Link to Windows. You will need to grant access to the notification, contacts, call logs, photos and messages. Don't worry, these are completely safe and required for smooth integration between your phone and PC. After you have allowed all permission, you should see a confirmation message on both devices saying the setup is complete. Now that your Android phone is connected, so let's explore what you can do. So on the left side panel of the Phone Link app, you will see a notification tab. And also on the top, you will get message, calls, photos. So now let's go through each one briefly. In the notification, you can see all your phone's notification directly on your PC. Messages, apps, alerts or social media updates. You can reply, dismiss or manage them right from your desktop. No need to touch your phone every time something pops up, okay? Next, the call tab. Here you can make and receive phone calls directly from your PC. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and computer. You can see your call history, dial number and use your PC microphone and speaker for the call. If you get a call while working, a pop-up also appears on your screen and you can answer or decline instantly. Then click on message and you will be able to read and reply to your text messages. You can even start a new conversation from your PC keyboard. It's super convenient for replying while working on your computer. And in the Photos tab, you will see all your recent pictures from your phone. You can open, view and copy them directly to your PC. It's perfect for editing, emailing, or adding to your presentation. So no more connecting USB cables or sending files manually. It's a wireless and instant. If you want, you can explore some settings inside the phone link app. You can choose which apps send notification to your PC. You can manage connected devices. You can also customize behavior of the message, calls, or photos syncing. Once your devices are linked, you don't have to repeat this setup every time. Just make sure your phone has the link to Windows toggle turned on and is on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Then they will connect automatically in the background whenever both are nearby. Okay, so that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.